finally, lesson 7 is utilizing XBRL process to its full potential. So again, we've described it quite a bit through this presentation as well, but you'll find that XBRL is an excellent standard to improve financial checks, validation, and controls. And companies should really aim to take advantage of this process and the tools that you can use to validate and provide what it's all about, accurate submissions. So Bartek, your final comments on this part.
Yeah, I think XBRL is just an opportunity, to be honest, for you to take another look at the financials and improve them and make absolutely sure that they not only validate, but that they are consistent internally, that the quality of those financials is as you require it to be. It's easy on paper takes it all. It's less easy sometimes in XBRL, where issues are being flagged up automatically, and XBRL sometimes will just not accept, for example, 2 different values for the same thing on 2 different pages. And on paper it's possible, in XBRL it's not going to be possible. So my advice always is use XBRL as that opportunity, use it to improve your financials, leave enough time in the process to be able to do that, not leave it until the very end when you have everything else finalized and you think, okay, now we will add XBRL. That's wrong thinking. You should actually add XBRL much earlier in the process and then use it to improve the financials as a whole. I've even had clients who are sending us, multiple versions, more than we need from the XBRL perspective, and asking us to actually put the XBRL into those versions, update XBRL for every version, because they want us to run the validations, they want us to run all the checks, give them feedback, and then based on that feedback, they actually are changing the original financials. So it's an opportunity.
And I was actually going to say that the experience that we've had with the clients that we work with as well is that XBRL is becoming part of that process, not at the end, at the start as well. And it's running through that process to just, it's basically to help with what you've got at the moment. It makes it more accurate, it makes it much more detailed than what you're trying to produce. And at the end of the day, the digital file that you're producing is the bit that you want to be making sure that is accurate and correct. Yeah. It's
another tool that you now have that you probably didn't have or didn't think of before, because it was available, but you probably didn't think of it. But now, do not treat XBRL as a burden, as something that, we have to now, because of the regulation, we have to comply with. But because you have to comply with the regulation, use it to your advantage, use it to improve your financials.